Hi everyone, today I will show you how to connect your aftermarket multimedia to your wheel commands. I have Peugeot 308, but this method works on any other car with CAN bus. This is Connect 2 product and we will use it to connect our Chinese multimedia with our car computer with this CAN bus box. In adapters package you will get main cable harness, patch lead cables and CAN bus box. Please make sure that this is the correct adapter for your car. In this case, this product fits many Peugeot models on the market. Peugeot steering wheel control interface allows you to upgrade to an aftermarket head unit whilst maintaining use of your factory steering wheel controls. This patch lead is used to connect an aftermarket stereo to a Connect 2 interface. Supports most major head unit brands. It also supports various Chinese aftermarket units. For Chinese multimedia brands, you will need to use key 1, key 2 and ground wire. And for other major brands, you will use 3.5mm jack wire. Check for instructions to see which wire should be cut for a specific brand. On Chinese multimedia, you will have two wires, labeled key 1 and key 2, same as patch lead. You need to connect wires according to labels, key 1 to key 1, key 2 to key 2. Ground will be connected either to black wire or metal part of car chassis. Connect the 14-way Molex connector to the interface. Connect the 12-way Molex connector of the head unit patch lead to the interface. Connect the opposite end of head unit patch lead to the head unit steering wheel control input. Connect the male power ISO harness from car to the female power ISO harness from the head unit. If your multimedia have connector like this with 20 pins, you will need to cut and reconnect wires from 16 pins connector to 20 pins connector. Please refer to wiring color codes on instructions manual and on your multimedia wiring diagram. After reconnecting all wires, you will have something like this. This is 20 pins connector for this Chinese multimedia. Key 1 and key 2 are connected according to labels. Ground wire is connected to black ground wire. Now let's go to car and connect everything. After connecting all other cables like antenna, AV harness, microphone, USB cable and parking camera, it's time to connect steering wheel control interface. Click and hold the button you want to set up on the wheel. Click the corresponding button on the screen. If you set up button successfully, there will be a change on the corresponding color on button icon. To enter system settings in your car, press two front buttons together. To scroll through menu, press top or bottom front button. Press top back button to select menu item or enter. And to go back, press bottom back button.